Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sid's Blue Sky Farm. It's Saturday. It's not freezing cold, but it is a crystal clear blue sky. The wind is blowing and it's chilly. It's a little bit more brisk than I thought it was going to be today. We've done a little repair work on our lights out by the new fence. Actually, not repair. I just simply turned them on, which I forgot to do when I put them up. So they are going to be ready to come on tonight and hopefully work. We're gonna hook up the trailer to the truck, go down by the pond and gather a little pine straw this morning. I think that's the best project for us to work on today. Put it around the cabin, get that area cleaned up. Just in case we get any more rain, we don't want to have any washing problems down there. So we're gonna make this brief. We're gonna get started with a little pine straw collection, spread that, and then we'll come back and figure out what else we're going to do for the rest of the day. So let's get this whole thing rolling. This is not the cleanest collection of pine straw in the world, but I do like the price an awful lot. If nature's going to give it to us for free, we'll come down here and rake it up and collect it and put it over by the cabin and finish off one of our flower beds. It does have a great many leaves in it. It does have some sweet gum balls in it, but it's not going beside a house in someone's yard. It's going beside a cabin down in the woods by the lake. So I think it'll work out just fine. I forgot my pitchfork. Okay. We'll just load it by hand. We have a little tiny agapanthus right beside that post, between the post and the stump. Got it covered up, but not buried, so maybe it'll do okay. What we will do later on is extend that gravel path up to just about the end of those cedar posts, just about even with that pine straw up there at the top. Kind of finish it off that way, and I think that'll be good enough for this side. The pine straw project is complete. I think we'll go drop off the trailer and the truck, come back in the side-by-side and feed the fish real quick. There you are. You guys are figuring this whole new process out. Let me go get that planter out real quick. If we get any rain, I won't be able to get out here and get this thing. Deep are my boots. Okay. I think we're going to take a quick break here on the porch. Watch the fish eat the vanilla wafers I've scattered in the water. And then we'll go find something else to do. We've got a couple of little small things we need to get out of the way. Be back shortly. As you can see, I added one more piece there, a little more or less decorative piece on the end of the handrails. I don't know why, but maybe it'll keep one of the grandkids, the smallest one, from walking off the end of the pier. Seems like a good idea. It's a beautiful day here, crystal blue skies. The wind is finally down, the temperatures are coming up. So I think we're going to call it quits for this video. We'll come back later on in the week if we can find anything that's interesting to do. Right now we're going to go up, clean up a few tools, some things we got lying around, and just enjoy the rest of a really beautiful Saturday. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we will come back and see you again soon. But for right now, let's cut. We're out of here.